Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm here at Jalan Werkudara and I will walk around here and let's see the situations. I'm really happy today actually because the weather is fantastic, guys. It's very good. No rain, a lot of sun, as you see. The sun is shining, so a lot of tourists must be really happy. It's been rain like for a few days on and off, and some of the area got flooding, and today, as you can see, it's really nice. The street is hello. And as you can see, today is really good. The road is clean, no flooding. Anyway, last time someone asked me about this school. This is elementary school here in Legian, SD1 Legian. Of course, at this time, no one's here. It's 4:30 now. But I think soon school will have holiday for Christmas holiday. And here is, what is this? Bali Court Hotel and Apartment. Do you know about this place? I've never been inside actually. This is Baleka Hotel. Been to this hotel before. They have very nice pool, guys. This is their lobby. And start from here, you will see a lot of art shops like this. And also you'll see some bars. Hello. They have very nice stuff actually here, but unfortunately it's not really busy at the moment. I don't see a lot of tourists roaming around in here. And this is the Sugar Ray bus. Anybody of you want to hire this bus? You can have some drinks with your group and go around. And this is the Sugar Ray bar. It's not really busy at the moment. I don't know, maybe most of the guests, maybe they are at the beach, yeah, because the weather is really good today. Right there on the right side is the Capture 2. Is it your favorite bar? But look at this here. There's constructions happening. So not really sure what it will be. Maybe another bar or shops. Let's just wait. Parma Palace. Is it your favorite restaurant? Let's see what they have. Ibu, saya boleh lihat? Okay, this is what they have. Garlic bread, 40k. French fries, 40k. This is the main menu. Original Parmigiana, ours is Parmigiana. This is all the price. They have a lot of, well, look at this. It looks nice. And pizza. They have a lot of things here, guys. This is the place. Kasih Bu ya. What do you think about the prices of the menu? Good or not? I'll leave it up to you. I'm not really sure as well the price. And this is new place, I think. Spot bar here. A lot of TV there. And if you love Thai food, this is the place, guys. Hello. And let's see what they have. They have Bali Spirit here, Arak on the rock. You need alcohol, maybe that is the local alcohol, Arak, and this is Thai salad. So there are a lot of kinds of Thai food. What do they have here? Soup, and these are all the prices. Tom Yum Kun, this one looks nice. And this one, not really sure what is the white things. Have you tried this? And this is the main course, guys. So a lot of variety of food here. Kasih Pak ya. And this is the happy hour from 3 o'clock until 6 o'clock, guys, in the afternoon. Small beers, bintang, and many more here. Okay, let's continue walking. Halo. Ayo. Let's see. Jualan ya sini ya?
Ya.
Say hello. Hello to people in Australia or somewhere. Mau jual apa?
Kasih baju.
Oh, they are the owner of these shops, guys. These are their shops. There are a lot of things here. Nice bags, glasses. Okay, let's see. This is what they have. So many things here. Look. Udah berapa lama jualan?
Udah berapa dah? 7 tahun.
7 tahun ya? Oh. Dari mana asalnya?
Madura ya?
Ke Madura. Oh, dekat ya?
Iya.
Ini kalau ini ada harganya semua. Apa nawar-nawar gitu?
Nawar-nawar.
Nawar-nawar ya? Biasanya berapa persen nawar?
Lalu ya kalau nawar itu sekian 20%, 30%.
20%, 30%. Oke. Nanti
Soalnya kan anggap kan modal 200.
Ah.
Modal 200. Kita ambil laba itu 20. Anggapannya bukan laba-laba buat hasil, enggak. Laba yang maksud laba itu buat yang nambah barang gitu. Kan kontrak mahal sih.
Iya. 100 per tahun ya?
Ya, per tahun 100. Tadinya kan gitu. Resminya di Sadewa itu ada yang 200, 300.
Oh ya?
Di Sadewa.
Halo. Oke deh. Kasih ya.
Bye.
Good luck ya. Yuk. Bye. It was nice actually to chat with him, and I was surprised also. The rent of the shop is 100 million a year, guys. So that is the price, and they said also other area even more expensive to rent the shops, like 150 million a year, 200 million a year, something like that. And I asked also actually how much is the normal percentage to bargain. Is it 50% or 30%? Because we have a lot of problem, even me, when I buy something from this kind of shops, I'm not really sure how much is the fair price. So I asked him, what is actually the normal, I mean, just the normal way to bargain, how many percent from the price? So he said like 20%, 30% is good to bargain. So if you want to do some shopping, maybe you can bargain like 20, 30% or even more. That is kind of like a game, so hope you enjoyed it. And that is Sendok Mas. This is also famous restaurant, but at this time, of course, it's still very early to have food, so no one is there yet. And we are entering here, Jalan Padma Utara. Let's have quick walk and down in this area. I think here you will see a lot more shops, guys. Hello.
Hello.
Excuse me. But to be honest, they have a lot of nice stuff here. I like this kind of surfboard. It's written Bali surfboard. This is Fat Buddha Legian. Lamonde, this is your favorite restaurant? Hello. Wow, it's really busy here. What is happening? Hello. I think so far this area is not really busy. Compared to last time I came here, it was much better last time. Maybe most of the tourists, they are still at the beach. And here's the Bali houses. They are all open. All the businesses are open here. But as you can see, it is It's really quiet at the moment. Or maybe later, or next time maybe I'll come back at night or evening. Let's see if the situation is much better. Because right there is the Romeo's. It is also quite a famous place. A lot of people know and like to come here for food, drinks. Well, it's nice to see some tourists there. That's Cafe Magnum. I think it's a new cafe, isn't it? They have RDB bar there. And here is Campi Hotel. It looks really good actually from outside. They had big renovations last time. I'm not really sure inside. Probably the room is almost the same. Maybe, I'm guessing. That's their lobby. And that is Puri Raja Hotel. I think a lot of you like to stay here, isn't it? I've been to this hotel as well during COVID-19. It was a nice hotel. They have big pool as well. And you have access directly to go to the beach, guys. Well, this restaurant is doing quite good, yeah? I have a request actually to see a villa around in this area. If I'm not mistaken, it's Villa Bali. I tried to check their location, but not really sure where it is exactly location here. So I just walk around here, and I asked earlier someone from here also. He didn't really know about it. So not really sure where is the villa. It's kind of like big renovations at this place, guys. Probably another restaurants or bars maybe. They almost done actually the construction. Halo. Kapan buka? Tanggal 25 ya? Oh. Benar 25? Bentar lagi berarti. Dari mana? Dari Bali. Kasih ya. Yeah, he said that bar will start to open 25th of December. So, will you be here 25th of December? You can go to that bar maybe. Oh, this is a cute place. Sinaloa. It's getting busy even at this time. And a lot of scooter for rental, guys. I passed by few scooter for rental. At the moment in Bali, it's not really busy, I can say, except Canggu maybe. Last time I came to Canggu, it was so busy. But in this area, Kuta, Seminyak, Ubud, Nusa Dua, not really busy. Especially in Nusa Dua is quiet. But anyway, I think maybe starting from next week, it will be much busier because of the school holiday, the Christmas holiday, and a lot of people from not only international tourists, the domestic tourists also, they like to come to Bali. And probably you will see some traffic, worse traffic end of the year because a lot of cars from other islands, they have arrived probably in Bali, yeah. So I hope you still can enjoy your holiday. Hello.
Hello. How are you guys?
Good. Wow, spa. Let's have a quick look here. Full body massage is 140,000 rupiah. This one, foot reflection lagi 110. Thai massage 200,000 rupiah. So this is this is their building here. It is good place, I can say, fine. So still, the massage is slightly cheaper in this area, I can say. If I compare the place, yeah, from here, the one that we saw earlier, and the one that we saw in Nusa Dua. I think here is still better. Wow, look at this, guys. This is the Y bar. It is really busy already at this time. Look. Hello. Halo. Ya.
Apa namanya itu?
Bali with Krishna.
Apa?
Bali with Krishna.
Bali Krishna.
Ya. Dari mana?
Dari Bali.
Dari Bali mana?
Karangasem.
Karangasem Hijau.
Ya nyeret.
Ngundang nih.
Dagang kelas.
Oh, belaku.
Onde.
Oh, semangat semangat.
Oke.
Udah masuk kan?
Tuh.
Semangat ya.
Ya. Makasih ya, Om.
Yuk. Bat, Wolf, Barber, and Cigar Lounge. And here is Bali Bagus Resto. Is it your favorite place? And we are arriving here at Jalan Padma, guys. This is the Posher pub. This time maybe not really busy, but if you come later at night or evening, probably it will be much busier. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.